Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿.com. I'm just making a video of this nice little Hijet. This is a 2019 Hijet 4-wheel drive with a PTO dump system. This car is nearly new. It's done about 500 kilometers, about 350 miles. You can see it's fitted with this nice sturdy dump box on the back, which is also a 3-side drop. I'll just demonstrate this 3-side drop quick. You can see I can do this all one-handed. It's very simple to drop the sides down and do this one. Just pull this out like this. This one drops down like this. And then you do the other side. And you've got a nice flat tray on the back which can be loaded with a forklift truck. You see it's in good condition. And you can also put wider items on there that stick out past the side of the cabin. Close that up. Like that, you can see, very easy. Now if we come into the cab, engine's already running. As you see, 497 kilometers it's done. It's about 350 miles. It's still pretty much new. Got plastic from the factory there. Brand new seats. Got air conditioning. High and low range on the 4-wheel drive. That's the dump lever there. So I'll demonstrate how this dump works. First, press your clutch in. You've got to get the transfer lever into neutral, like this, and put the transmission of the car into 3rd gear. Pull this down, then let your foot off the clutch, and you'll see that now the dump box is moving up. So that's being driven by the transmission, and it's a more sturdy way, less electrical parts, no electrical parts in fact involved in this dump system. It's going up slowly there. If you're in the cabin you can increase the revs of the engine, that makes it go a little bit faster, but yeah, it's fine, you know, it goes up, no problem. You see the gravity gate there, it's open on the back. Nice sturdy ram there to operate the dump. That's the PTO drive off the transmission there, and the diff locker on the back of the diff there. This one's got a little bit of dust here, but still very excellent condition. It's just from being parked up, I would say, that one. So to then let it down, all you do, knock the car into neutral, just move the lever the other way, and there you have it. It starts to come down, and you'll see as it comes down, those little fingers grip into the back there, lock the back gate, and now it can't open and your material can't come out. I should just say it's also got 4-wheel drive operated by that button there. Press that when you've got it into gear. 4-wheel drive light comes up there, and it's also got a diff locker. You press that there. If I put it into gear now, that's lighting up, so the rear diff is locked. Switch those off, and now it's ready to drive on the road again. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's interesting for you. If you want to buy one of these trucks yourself, buy this truck, which I think is on its way very shortly, or become a distributor for us in the United States, have a look on our website 𝐷𝐴𝐚𝐺𝐿.com. You'll see a lot of information there, and hopefully get some more facts and figures about what we can do. Thank you again for watching.